So we're back. After doing the basic checks on the car, the next step is to start putting things in it. We have a basic service kit that you're looking at. You have your oil, 10W40, ladies and gentlemen, 10W40 synthetic motor oil. And this is 5 liters. Because we are driving a very big car, you'll need 2 of these. You are most likely going to use, 7, 8 liters, I don't know. But it's a big car. Small cars like yours in mind, you have 1 Chibubu is enough. then we have our fuel filter. As you know that, in this part of the continent, sometimes our fuel is nonsense. So you definitely need this if you do not want problems in your life. Original Toyota brands, Lexus changing cars. And there's no oil filter. Every time you change your oil filter. You don't change one and leave the other one. This one is very nice for you because if you don't have this, your engine will be cut. And then, antifreeze. Guys, stop using water. That includes me. Then you have your air filter. This one's very big. It's not like the small ones for small cars. This one's very, very big. In Zimbabwe, there are a lot of dust particles going around doing the nonsense. So you definitely need an air filter to make sure the air that's going into your engine is clean. That is a very, very, very big air filter. Some people in Zimbabwe need air filters because, they just talk a lot of nonsense. That's the new air filter. Let me show you the old one. The old air filter. As you can see, this one is beat, so they just put in a new one.
I'm Dad. Look at me,
Yeah. What's up?
So, check out Transave. Mkatenga car service kit kenyu mkasimza akwa muka service mega. Madi kuzitaba.
Ayo una mayejiga. Izinendra na nizera le motor wayo. Because you see, with an Aqua, if you mess up, you have a budget of maybe $20-30 of fixing, bro.
So long story short, Makwata.
Ayo, it doesn't know.
No, it's okay, it's fine.
I so not gonna say new and this is not for you and me, You do not want to make experiments with a car like this one, because one wrong on the cars up. This is the point where you start doing things like checking your suspension, checking your brake pads, also checking oil, and checking for any that you might find down there, which is exactly what they're doing. If your wallet is not strong, this is where you stroke. This thing is not a gas tank. It's not a gas tank. It looks like a gas tank, but it's not. We want to see what after 5,000 Ks, what does the oil look like? Does it look like, Yes, I see it. It's very good for you. If you don't see any particles in there, stones, nails, etc., then there are high chances that your engine is safe. So this is very clean. It's dirty, but it's nice. It's a nice
You have to appreciate the efficiency.
No, it is, and that's all.
No, not this. The guys.
Yes. Oh, yeah, because It only took like a few seconds for them to make the oil and put the car in the air and then check any other leaks, everything. Something about next stage. This is really very efficient because time is money. So yeah. If you do not have that date, by the time you get home, you have no oil on your engine and you need to know. So that you need to protect your vehicle from the pumpiness and the what. If you do not have it, code it.
It's really good smooth in there.
Always use synthetic. Synthetic is the one.
Liquid gold.
Liquid gold. Anything else is rubbish. And also when you're now adding new oil, just make sure that you've closed down possessive. Otherwise you are just spring cleaning the engine. That's an engine output. Right, so right there they're changing the diesel filter. Make sure that you have nice clean fuel. A lot of people are complaining about the sulfurs, diesel 50, etc. I don't know what that means. All I know is if it's not clean, your car is dead. Those are the basics.
This is not DIY.
No, because see, if you mess up and you will learn. You will learn. It will be an expensive lesson if you make a mistake. That's the first.
Yo, that is dirty.
So, if I was you, I would pick one source of fuel. Don't just go to a set station. Pick one that is reliable for you. Then you know that you are safe. You have consistent supply of fuel that you can be reliable with. Wouldn't just put any kind of fuel. How you will learn. Like I said, get a professional. They will do the thing for you nicely and make sure it's clean before they plug it back in. And then when you do that, you are safe. But if you do that, to suck in some fuel into the system there. You don't just because if you do that, you are trying to avoid that thing called airlock. We know you, those people who specialize in the sport of drinking inspired beverages. You know it's a diesel because it always does that. It's like a deep love car. Then when it starts and it goes, I don't know, but the top time tips out, man, do it yourself at home. Check it out. That's it.
Vanotoicheka kana wambomudza kuti yaenda palevo pale hautambodira 5 liters this is 43220 saka tongoti 1.5 ndo yasara.
Yeah, 5 plus 3.5, 8 liters. What's 8.5 liters of synthetic oil?
Familiar with
those what I'm going to cheap. Why not go? Yeah. C service type of vehicle service. Change the oil filter. We changed the air filter. We also changed the fuel filter, and the coolant was fine. And what else did we do? Check the brakes, suspension, the lights, the brakes, everything. Service is done. Basic C service. Fortunately, there was no need to change anything on the suspension. What plugs? Did we change plugs?
It's a diesel, brother. No plugs.
Remember that.
Hello?
Tema fuel injectors. We didn't change any fuel injectors. So
Oh yeah, what you put in your plugs?
yes,
It doesn't
put
have plugs. It's a diesel.
it's diesel. We do fuel injectors.
Yes.
And yeah, and like I recommended, always make sure you have a particular choice for your fuel source supply. Don't just take to everyone, because the other ones will be junk.
For example.
Right, so